OMG, ang aking anak nagkalat sa living room, but look at that.
I go to war with my family. Ups and downs, wrong or right, this family. They think that we crazy. They say that we crazy, can't handle it. My back on the.
I'm making cake, and the flavor is passion fruits and orange. I mix it together, and I'm using my saladmaster pot, and I don't want to use an oven, so I can have this one tonight. Let's see how it is. Let's see, guys, without oven, okay?
You lost, Daddy.
Wow, good job, mate. That's the only one.
That's funny.
Good job.
Just pull that one to the kitchen.
Ta-da!
Okay, good. We're back.
So, lang, ilalagay ko lang yan.
Stick on my hair. Yeah. Yeah. Sticks on my hair, right? Yeah. Yeah. Can take this one out.
Oh no, it's really stopped right.
Oh.
Do you want a cake?
Cool.
Mommy make cake for you. Orange cake, passion and orange cake. Let's try.
All right, I'm a blue boy.
Daddy, what you better clown?
Blue. One, two.
Things away. It's time to clean up. It's time to clean up. It's time to clean up and put our things away. We've had our fun and played.
Cutting off my cake.
I have to say it's useless if it's useless, okay?
Tell me the truth, okay?
So if it's useless, it's useless.
So if it is useless, no, it tastes good, Daddy, and it is healthy cake.
It's healthy.
And the two is waiting there. Are you ready to taste my cake? My love? What? Whoa. Well, bring and what you said? Okay. All right. Yes, boss. It's coming.
That's not the song. It's mine.
I'll give you the fork, baby.
No, I don't like it, Mommy.
Ah, you don't like it. Orange and passion fruit, Daddy.
You didn't put enough of orange. I can't
Yes.
get the smell of orange.
Daddy, there's a black thing there. Something crunchy in your mouth.
It is a passion fruit, Daddy. My love.
Yummy.
It's yummy.
You should put dragon fruit in it.
Yeah, you should try next time.
Try next time. We'll see. Passion fruits, orange juice, and dragon fruits.
No. Why would he mix it all?
Is that?
Dragon fruit by itself.
Ah, yeah. We'll try the dragon fruits.
Maybe with orange without passion, only with dragon.
Okay.
Next time.
Thank you.
Is it? What? And tonight our dinner is burger because I'm lazy.
I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need that.
My love, we're gonna have burger. Is it? Is that? I'm gonna make burger too.
It might be because you're getting very, very close to the bottom. What is this? My controller? Did you find it? I'm sorry, Judy. I was talking about that must be what's causing all those strange.
Mommy, is the sauce done?
Done.
Inside those cracks in the
It's done.
So we need to scrape it off from the wall of the.
Alright, sit aside now. We'll wait for the burger to cook.
black smokers.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm almost burning. Put.
Daddy is hungry. Daddy, are you hungry? Let's see.
Let's see.
Oh no, it's still not cooked, my love.
What is cooking right now?
Take too long.
Daddy, what are you doing there?
Let's see. Tingnan natin kung okay na ba ang ating burger. Are you excited, my love? We're gonna have burger tonight. Oh, who's there? Let's see. Who's he? Go see. Go. Who's that? Who is that? Who is that? It's Raquel. Okay, coming. Living room. Yes, you can come. What's going on? Sunog na aking burger. No. Alright, almost ready. Burger is almost ready. Daddy? Almost ready.
Almost ready.
Come on. I'll give you. Can you wash your hand first? Go and wash your hand. No, wash your hand and bring, or wash your hand in mommy's toilet.
No, I want to-
Basic.
There.
Okay. Go and get your,
Door?
yes. simple. Yeah, ready? Okay. Spread it now. Spread it nicely, huh?
You need to do it like this, maybe.
Yes. Hannah,
Come eat, Daddy.
come and eat. Burger is ready.
Burger is ready.
While si kulit, look at that kulit.
Another one? We do another one.
No, this one. Other bread.
I take one.
Mamita brought that.
Mommy, can I take one taste of coconut water?
You wanna?
Like, see if it,
You want to have ginger beer, honey?
I want to taste it if it's yummy. I want to taste it if it's yummy.
Is that? Gonna have burger on it tonight.
Not yummy.
Not yummy.
I only like it.
Oh, not yummy. How is that color?
What? Slowly.
See you. See you. See you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you, flying kiss.
Thank you for daddy.
Yeah, how about the mommy? Like and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye. My friend saying bye.
See you. Bye.